Let's move on now and tell you the latest that's happening with the Indian rupee, which has dropped to a record low on Wednesday to 83.53 rupees to the US dollar as worries continue to simmer about tensions in the Middle East.
The RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, likely intervened via state-run banks to curb the rupee's decline. Money Control's Manisha Gupta is now going to bring you all of the details. Take a look.
The Indian rupee has hit an all-time lows at 83.53 versus the US dollar. Well, the rupee is weighed down by the rise in US Treasury yields on bets that the Federal Reserve will delay rate cuts. The 10-year US yield on Monday climbed to the highest since mid-November, and the US Fed rate cut probability for the month of June is now below 50%. The simmering worries that the situation in the Middle East is also keeping the dollar index in favor. The dollar index, by the way, is trading almost at a 6-month highs and has led decline of many Asian currencies, with the Korean won and the Indonesian rupiah now leading the way down. Most of the Asian currencies in the first quarter of this year also have seen a decline, and April has started on a similar way. The Asian equities also have seen a decline by nearly 2% in the day, also pressurizing the currencies therein. And it's not just about Asia, because it's a 5-month lows at the pound sterling. The New Zealand dollar, the Canadian dollar also are trading at a 5-month lows versus the US dollar. The Japanese yen in the meanwhile continues to see a decline and is hovering at around 34-year lows. The markets do believe that going forward with the kind of geopolitical tensions that we're looking at, the inflation worries, the mixed economic data, and the fact that the dollar index is acting as a safe haven could continue to put further pressure for many of these currencies.